So what's our flight in the air? Well, first off, I'm making sure that, I've got a good line of sight. And as the pilot in command, I'm responsible for everything, which means if I need a visual observer to help me out, I am responsible to make sure that visual observer has good communication with me. I'm also responsible to make sure that that visual observer has a clear line of sight on the drone and that the operation runs smoothly. I've got situational analysis such as, is the airspace safe? I've already done that by making sure the airspace was clear, but then I'm down there using my common sense saying, okay, windy conditions might be a little strong today and I might not be able to fly as close to the property as I'd like. Then I want to make sure that I've got enough data retrieval systems so that I can get those pictures and videos and orthomosaics and panoramas and 3D modeling capabilities. Because what are you getting paid for normally when you're out at a site? You're getting paid for the data. You're not getting paid for your ability to fly. If you can capture the data that your clients want, you're going to be in business for a long time. And then finally, landing. Well, landing means mission complete. And if you land that drone safely and you haven't harmed anybody or anything, that's what I consider a successful operation. So it is key that you take that drone up and you make sure that you've got a successful mission. I'm hoping that the things that we've talked about are going to help you get to that point when you are actually out there flying properties.